Now I gotta believe it, folks. Naked Man's back.
Dry my hat, man. Dry my hat. Get out right now. Dry my hat, man. Dry my hat right there.
Drying your hat.
2 minutes, man.
Yeah, right.
Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching.
Now I gotta believe it, folks. Naked Man's back.
Dry my hat, man. Dry my hat. Get out right now. Dry my hat, man. Dry my hat right there.
Drying your hat.
2 minutes, man.
Yeah, right.
My hat right there, man. 2 minutes.
It might be dry already. That bone dry.
Why don't you go today, man? I put my money in there, though.
I don't know if I even believe you, man.
Man, how else you got in there?
I don't know. You gonna run around naked again in here?
Man, why don't you cut that bullshit out, dude? I'm sitting here getting my dick so why is it your business, man?
Now that I ran into him, I think now that I ran into him, I'm gonna play the camera and see what he did, and I'll just show it to you through the camera here. I'm not gonna waste my time downloading the footage and all that. Well, he's making himself some cigarettes. See, this dryer isn't even running right now. I mean, it isn't running at all. I don't know if you noticed that. Okay, jump forward here. I'm gonna wait to see when I pull up here. See, right now he's sitting in that lobby area over there. There's this car. See, he just put that hat in. You know why? He wanted to show he's doing something, so. Oh, here I pull up. Oh, here I am. I grab his hat. He takes off. Oh, too funny. Oh. Hopefully I got that on tape. Did you see how he said, hey, I'm using the dryer? He quick threw that in there and threw some time on it. So I would think that he was doing something, so I couldn't kick him out. Well, somebody's got some clothes in here, which sucks, because I want to close up. So we're gonna see if they show up here quick. We're gonna see if they show up here quick. Hopefully they do. That guy didn't like that bullshit, huh? He just wanted to play with himself.